Good morning, guys. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, I am going to get ready because I have a market that's an hour and a half away. So I just want to start getting ready right now to make sure that I have enough time to pack my car and just do everything that I need to do before I leave. I still have a couple of pieces of jewelry to put together because why wouldn't I? That's just how I am. I always save some stuff for the last minute. And last night I didn't feel that great because I was getting my period. And now I know that's why I didn't feel great, because this morning I got it. So I was waiting for it for the last couple days. I'm like, I know the second it gets here I'm gonna feel better, because I do have this market to go to today and it's far. And markets just take a lot out of me physically, because if you guys don't know, if you're new here, I do hair for a living and makeup. So I am on my feet all day, every day. Well, at least 4 days a week. And then I do these markets at least twice a month. So I'm on my feet all the time. But anyway, in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys to the market with me. And tomorrow, I'm going to be going to a trivia night with a couple of my girlfriends. It's both of their birthdays, so we're going to just be celebrating both of them because both their birthdays are this week. And I have to make a return at Ulta tomorrow. I have to go to the grocery store to pick up some salmon so I can meal prep it for the week. Putting a lot of concealer on. I need it today. I just got another email last night saying that the company I typically do markets for is now having another market in October. They were only going to do one, but now they're going to do one more in October, and I have to ask my boss if I can do it. And I just got nervous asking them because I've been there a long time, and I don't know, I just don't want to like step on their toes. Like, I feel bad like taking off work, because honestly, and I also have to make sure it's like a good financial decision for me as well, because if I take off on a Saturday, I mean, everybody knows in salons, Saturdays are the busiest days, and like I can book a ton of makeup clients that day, or like a keratin or something that'll make me a lot more money. And I don't know, sometimes the markets just don't do well, but it is a really good time for markets right now, and that would be a Saturday and everybody would probably go. So I just have to decide if I'm gonna do that one or not. But anyway, I digress. I'm gonna finish getting ready, and then I have to put a couple more pieces together of jewelry, because it wouldn't be me if I didn't save some stuff till literally not only the last minute, like the last day, but the last hour before I have to leave. That's just how I am sometimes. I'm super organized with planning, but then when it comes to actually doing the things, I take forever. I'm just drilling the holes here so that I can make these into little dangle earrings, and don't worry, I'll show you guys everything once it's all done. I was gonna wear, I'll show you on the screen, this outfit, but because I got my period today, sorry if you hear the drill, I got my period today, I don't want to wear this light color. So I think what I'm gonna do is wear the shirt and the hat still, or I might just wear these little clips in my hair for now, because it's probably hot outside. I'm gonna be hot with the hat on. Keep the shirt on and just wear black pants instead of the tan ones. Okay, I'm just gonna bring all of the earrings that I made, well, all of the little pieces. I'm gonna put these in a little baggie so that I can bring them to the market safely. I was gonna wear these cute little stud earrings today, but because it's a Florida themed market, I was like, I gotta wear something bright. So I'm gonna wear these pretty dangle earrings that I made in the springtime. Okay, so I just got to the Lunar Faire. Well, I just set up a little bit. You guys will see those clips, and then I think it's gonna be a good fair. I have to find the bathroom. I have to go to the bathroom so bad, but while I'm in here, I might as well touch up my makeup a little bit before I just fully set up everything. I also have to do a lash lift again. I think I'm gonna do it before I go to Salem. If you guys didn't see my second to last video, I talked about going to Salem and where I'm going and everything, but I definitely am gonna talk about a little bit more closer to, because I'm leaving in 2 weeks and I'm super excited. I'm gonna do a whole Shein haul of the things that I got soon. So now I'm gonna go find a bathroom and set everything else up and you guys will see. Guys, it's the next day. I had a really great time at the market yesterday. So there's been a change of plans today. I have to go return this blush that I got to Ulta because I thought it was more of a peachy color and it's literally like a bright, like fluorescent pink. I thought it was gonna be more orange. And then I really want to stop at Home Goods, but I probably won't because I truly just don't need anything else and I'm trying to save my money for an apartment, so probably won't do that. But I'm not going out anymore later. I think I told you guys yesterday I was going out. I'm just not feeling it. Yeah, I'm just not going. So instead, I'm going to pack for Salem and show you guys what I'm bringing. I'm so excited. I got this new tripod and it's perfect. It was from the TikTok shop and it stands up taller than me, and I love that because then I can angle it down if anything. And yeah, I just absolutely love it. I don't have to balance it on my window anymore and be at weird angles. Now I could be at normal angles and all around my room and in good lighting. I don't have to always find something to make a tripod. So this is what I got. I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the outfits as I'm packing them away. All right, so this top I could possibly wear, like I said, with this mesh top. So I'm gonna put these two together. Wear that with this skirt most likely. This is the comfiest skirt ever. And my tights are here. I do have more tights that I'm bringing, but that's just one whole outfit here. And then I'll probably wear a cloak on top. And either these black jeans, depending on the weather, or these pants. And I'm gonna work on cutting them today. I'm gonna figure out how I can cut them. I honestly might just wear a black tank top. Like I might just pack a black tank top for now and then put in another shirt. Or like I could always wear this shirt underneath this for that day. But I'm definitely just gonna bring this tank top I got from Garage. And then this is just obviously a very casual outfit. I might just wear this around like the Airbnb, or if it's like really hot one day and it's like just unexpectedly like 75 degrees, I'll just wear this with flared leggings and boots. Like I really don't care. I could wear this and this beanie together if anything. This dress is super cute. I've worn it to the Renaissance Fair before, and I could wear this with that long sleeve mesh top underneath with the cloak and this hat and boots and everything. Then I could always wear this with a skirt and the tights. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do that. And then I only brought leg warmers if it's gonna be cold. Like I don't even know if it's gonna be cold, but also my shoe inserts, have to pack those. I'm bringing 100 pairs of shoes. I think these will be comfy to walk in on a more like with a more casual outfit. So I changed my mind again. I am going out to celebrate 2 of my girlfriend's birthdays. Okay, this is my outfit. Just wearing this cute witchy shirt, these American Eagle jeans, and I'm gonna wear my new Converse. I was debating on, sorry if you have a train, I was debating on wearing something a little fancier, but I'm like, why? I'm going to a trivia night. I'm gonna put my ring on. Maybe I'll put, oh my god, that's so cute. I'm gonna put these on. Cute candy corn. I made these, by the way. Hello, artistry. Okay, I'm officially all ready to go. Don't mind this right here. I have my 2 necklaces I'm wearing, my earrings, and I'm all set.